What's up, guys? This is going to be the Ridgeline part 5 or 4, one of the two. I'm being swarmed by wasps right now. Anyway, so we kind of made some progress off camera. Just didn't want to film everything. Yeah, my lens is fogging up. Didn't want to film everything because it's pretty much the same as when we were removing the stuff off the truck, but I'll go ahead and show you what we got done. Also kind of explain a few things to you guys. If you're having to do the quarter panel on the Ridgeline, god dang freaking wasps, god jeez, if you're having to do the quarter panel on a Ridgeline, it's really important to know this. Once you drill out all the spot welds around the fender wells, they have seam sealer that is pretty much bonded on there really good. We could not separate it. So what you have to do is you got to get a torch, and what we did was we heated up the insides. I took the torch and just heated all this up, nice and evenly, and I was able to pull the panel, and you can kind of see like the seam sealer just let go, and we were able to get that whole quarter section off. Here you can see we did have a bit of a steel, I can't remember what it's called, just basically steel rope or whatever, and we were kind of sawing at it. We did get a little bit. You can see here we got about this far with it, and I think at that point we were cutting into the frame, which I'll just weld that up. But yeah, we got this whole panel off. We're starting to drill out the spot welds here to separate this panel, and then we also have the frame section here. We also already got the subframe off. It's those 4 bolts and then 2 bolts each in the control arms, and we got all that done and taken apart. That's just a pile of parts that some of it's going back, some of it's not, and our tailgate. But that's the update on that so far. We got the whole Ridgeline flipped upside down right now, so we can work on it a little bit easier. And yeah, I mean, we're just gonna keep trucking away on but yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna throw it on a time lapse now for you guys. All right. That's been painted and ready to go. Gonna keep on going here. All right guys, so we got the whole frame on. I think we're gonna call it a wrap for this episode, and we're gonna get back on it and gonna be hitting all these welds all through here. We got everything kind of cinched together with the vice grips. Still got a little bit of lining up to do, but we're really close right now. Just we gotta go pick up some self-tappers and everything. But I'd just like to thank everybody for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode, because we're gonna be getting a lot more done on this, and reassembly is right around the corner for this truck. And then it'll be off to paint. Like I said, I think I said before, we're probably gonna send it off for someone to paint it. And we're just gonna try to get it as close to ready as possible. And all right, adios.